Hello guys, today is my son's birthday. This guy here, say hi, Nicholas, Matthew, look at the camera real quick. Yes, there you go, this guy, 17 years old. Oh my goodness, he's growing so fast. Anyway, I have my two sons here.
Okie dokie.
And another guy here.
Boogers.
The boogers, with three boys. Alright, and the commander-in-chief is driving over there. We're gonna go to Burger King first to buy food for these two because they have allergies.
Okie dokie.
So, and then we're gonna go to a sushi place to celebrate my son's birthday.
Okie dokie.
Alright, okie dokie. Alright, we are here at the Magic Touch Bullet Train Sushi. Over here, guys. Oh, guys, we're gonna go to this place here. Sushi. Oh, that was cool. Sushi, it's right there. Sushi. Say hi, Ian. Alright, let's open the door. Open the door. This is the Magic Touch, right? Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Let's go. Alright. Okay. No problem. Alright. You order using the iPod. There you go. We can sit here. Alright. Magic. Huh?
This place is a little huge, except for the others.
That's where the horse use that. And there's the sushi. Here's another sushi. Coming to town. Alright. Look at that.
Look at that.
Yes.
It's already sauced up.
Are you sure? There's no sauce on it.
Well, on this side there.
There is? Okay. Alright. The birthday boy is gonna eat some sushi. Alright.
Wala ba siyang anuhan? Where's the sauce?
You said this was soggy?
Yeah, you can get some sauce right there.
It's nothing in here.
Yeah.
He wants wasabi and soy
This
sauce.
is nothing. Look at that.
Huh? Come on, eat it, baby. Alright. Oh. Matthew, you gotta eat the whole thing. You cannot just eat. You have to put everything in your mouth. Okay.
Should have ordered this because
What
this
is
is
that?
miso soup with clam.
I thought you ordered that.
No, I didn't order this.
What did you order?
Nothing kasi sobra wasabi.
Can we have some wasabi?
Hey, where is it? Yeah, that's really ours. Is it?
I think this is the one that you ordered, right?
Is that clam?
Yes. Alright.
It looks like dead shrimp. That have broken wings. What is that?
Yes, up there. Yeah, right there.
Those were there.
Good. Put this there. How are you guys doing?
Excuse me. Can I have this like this for my soup?
Let's see what you ordered. Let's see here.
Ayun,
Oh,
oh.
you have miso soup.
Yeah.
Okay.
Inatakpan pa dahil nihintay ko pa yung ano ko.
Alright. Oh, last bite of sushi.
Any straws?
Mahal pala ng magic bowl nila.
Do you have any straws?
50.
I don't see any straws.
Yeah.
I see one.
Chopsticks. Oh, there's straw over there.
Where?
Yeah, right there. Oh. Near the sink.
It's Matthew's.
Oh, that's mine.
Look at that. Look at that. Oh, they're cooked.
Yeah, why not?
I thought they're not.
Is that fish eggs?
Yeah, I think. I think we should get them dito. For the tea. I think these are
Yeah,
free.
yes. Go.
Don't you want tea?
Let's try it. Sushi.
Wait, I wash my hands.
That's a lot. That's awesome. That's a lot of water. So that's up there.
If you want cup, it's up there. Chopstick, tissue,
Okay, who wants tea? Matthew, do you want
then you
tea?
have tea. Right there.
No, Han. Tea?
No, I'm okay.
No, binigyan ng
That makes me so cheese.
This is for tea, right?
Yes.
Thank you.
Hey guys, how's your price?
Bad because we ran out of ketchup.
We cannot. We have a lot of ketchup. These kids are allergic to some peanut and
And butts.
yeah.
Farts.
Don't say those words, Nika.
It's inappropriate.
Okay, you say bye bye to the video.
Bye bye.